This is a Ukmt IMC 2017. Again, let's start from number 11. So, diagram shows 4 equilateral triangles with the side lengths 1, 2, 3, 4. And, okay. So, for example, before we do this, let's remind the ratio between two similar polygons. I mean, not only polygon shapes. If the length ratio is A to B, then the area ratio is A squared to B squared, and volume ratio is A cubed to B cubed. So for example, this small and like this small triangle and this large triangle, they are similar to 1 to 4. So the triangle area should be 1 to 16. So this is 1 and the larger one is 16, which means only here is 15. So let's say 15. This is not its own area. I mean, this is just a ratio compared to here. So if this is 1, we can say that is 15. And this is the same. This is 1 to 4 in terms of the area. So this should be 3. And this is 1 to 9. And this should be 8. So altogether, when I add them, this shaded area, it is 26. So number 12, combined age of Alice and Bob is 39. Alice plus Bob, 39. Bob and Claire is 40. Claire and Dan is 38. Dan and Eve, 44. Total of 5 age is 105. So this is 105. So which of the 5 is the youngest? Okay. This is not like that. A plus B plus C plus D plus E equals 105. So AB 39, CD 38. So E is 105 minus 6077. And yeah, let me delete here. So now we know E is 105 minus 77. And A, B, C, D. So this was E. Let's start from A. B, C, D, E. B, C, D is 84. So 105 minus 84. And for B, A, C, A, B, C, D, A, B, D, E, B, C, D, E, and B, C, C, D, A, B, B, C. So A, B, B, C, D, E. So this from here to here is 105, but I just added from 39, 40, 44. 39, 40, 44. Minus 105. So 123 minus 105. 18. And for C, A, B, D, E, 39 and 44. 105 minus 70, 83. And D, again, this is repeated. A, B, C, D, D, E. A, B, C, D, D, E. A, B, C, D, D, E. So 39, 38, 44. So 121. So this is the 16. So when we have the youngest, not B anyway, and not E and not C, so we can compare only A and D. 105 minus 84 is 21, not A, which is D. Number 13. Diagram shows two similar right angle triangle. So PQ 3, 4, then this is 5. And PRQ, SR, PSR. So now we know the corresponding angles and the sides. So perimeter PQRS, okay. So triangle PQR, similar. Triangle PRS. So PQ over PR is QR over RS, and PR over PS. So now we can calculate from here. RS is 20 over 3. PS is from here 25 over 3. So when we add them all together, so 3 plus 4 plus them, this is 45, which is 15, plus 7, 22. And what value 64 to the power of x equals 502, 5. So 64 is 2 to the power of 6. And 512 is 2 to the power of 9. So 2 to the power of 6x equals 2 to the power of 45. So x should be 7.5. Number 15. All these three same. SPQ. This is RSQ. So this is x, and this is x, but this is 2x, and this should be 2x. So all together, QRS. Am I right? If I set RSQ as x, then SPQ 2x, 2x, xx. So all together, this is the largest triangle. 6x equals 180. So x should be 30. So 30. Product of two positive integer. Let's set the larger integer is x and smaller one is y. Then xy is equal to twice of their sum. And also equal to 6 times the difference between two integers, x minus y. What is the sum of these two integers? Okay, so yeah, anyway, this is 3, so we can, I think we can solve it here and here. So from the equation 2x plus 2y equals 6x minus 6y. So 8x becomes 8y becomes 4x, so x equals 2y. And let's go for number 1. So x becomes 2y, so on the left side is 2y squared equal 3y, 6y. So 2y squared minus 6y, 2y, y minus 3 equals 0. So y can be 3 because it's 2 positive, so y cannot be 0. So y is 3 and x is 6. So sum of two integers is 9. Rectangles and regular pentagon. To meet x, what is value of x? Okay, so pentagon is the 108, and we have this 90 and this 108, this is 90. So here 360, 270, 108, 162. And here, because this is 18, so 126, 180, 454. So now this one quadrilateral. So this is quadrilateral, so it should be altogether 360. So 360 equals 90, 162, 54 plus x. So 370, 201, 6, 270, 216, 4, 5, 54. Water tank is 5/6 full when 30 liters of water are removed from the tank. Okay, so we don't know what is the real volume. So let's say the beginning, step 0. There was the 5/6 of its original volume. And the first step, we removed from the tank minus 30, and now it has a 4/5 of the volume. Okay, only just one steps. So this is how we can set the equation. And 5 and 6, let's multiply 30 and 30. And 25V minus 900, 24V. So V is 900. So number 19, square point P, Q, or S. T lies on PQ, 1, 2, 2. So here, 1, 2, 2. Point to U on SL. SU and U are 1, 2, 2. PQRS. PT, SU. So like this, perimeter of PTUS is 40. Okay. So because this is 1, 2, 2, so if I set here x, this is 2x, and this is 3x. So now we can find the perimeter of PTUS in terms of x. It is 3x plus x plus 3x plus x. So altogether 8x becomes 40. Therefore x equals 5. So area of PTUS is 3x squared, which means 5 squared, 75. Number 20, 7 circular arc and heptagon. So it's 7. So here, all of this circle has a 360. But let me call it here from A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Let's say. Then here, this is 360 minus A. Here, 360 minus B, blah, blah, blah. And here, 360 minus G. So, for example, if I find the first circle has the area of the first circle is it is the radius of 2, so 2 pi r, pi r squared, 4 pi times 360 minus a over 360. 4 pi 300 minus b over 360, blah blah blah. 4 pi 360 minus g over 360. Now we have quite common factors, which is pi over 90. So pi over 90 is common. So let's say we add them all together. 360 minus A, 360 minus B, blah, 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 360 minus G. So we have 360 7 times minus A plus B plus blah, blah, blah plus G. So if we can find the sum of the internal angle of this heptagon, then we can make it. So if we decide just one vertex there and make all diagonal from there, then we can divide into 5 triangle. So 5 triangle, because each triangle has internal angle 180, so 5 triangle makes 900. So this is 900. So let me distribute them here. So 90, 364, so 4 by 7, 28 pi minus 90 times 900 over 90 is 10 pi. Therefore, this is 18 pi. Number 21. Tiny frog have 3 toes and each foot and 2 fingers on each hand. Common frog, 5 toes each foot and 4 fingers on each hand. So one frog, like this tiny frog, has 6 toes and 4 fingers. And common frog has 10 toes and 8 fingers. So 6 toes and 10 toes becomes 122. And 4 fingers plus 8 fingers becomes 92. So now let me divide by 4. B plus 2C becomes 23. And the first one, no, let me divide by 2. The 3B plus 5C, 61. And I need to multiply 3 on the second one. 3B plus 6C is 69. So now we don't need this anymore. So, oops. So when I calculate it, C equals 8. When C equals 8, B equals 16, 7. So altogether 15. Number 22. PQ circle radius 8 or right angle circle midpoint. Okay. Following closes the length of perimeter of triangle P and M. So this is 4 and this is 8 and this is 8 and this is 4. So now we can and this is 8 because you know the isosceles triangle, when it has this bisector with this like perpendicular bisector, this is the isosceles triangle, so it should be 8 there. So now we can find this one becomes P and M. This one becomes from the like Pythagorean theorem from here, 4 square root 3. So when we add them together, square root 3 is like 1.7. So now when we add them together, 12 plus 4 square root 3, 6.8. So 18.8, which is like 19. 2 brothers and 3 sisters form a single line for a photograph. 2 boys refuse to stand next to each other. How many different lineups are possible? So they don't want to So let's make the line for sisters first. So let's say like this. So for them, 3 times 2 times 1 times, let's ask the first boy to stand anywhere he wants. So he will select any of these among 4. And the second boy, we ask them to go anywhere. Then if the first boy is here, he will go here, let's say. So he select among 3. So now we know how to calculate 72. Number 24, nth term a certain sequence multiplying together or the numbers like that. Smallest value for n, an integer. Okay. So let's say this is 3 over 2 times 4 over 3 times 5 over 4, blah, blah, blah. When they are in the square root, actually we can remove the square root and put them in a same square root together because they are same types. So when we multiply them together like this, we can remove from here and like this 7, 7, 8, like this. And finally we found 2 and 8, which when we canceling them out, it becomes 4 and it comes out from this square root. So the third, this was the third one, 1, 2, 3. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is a 6th term. Number 25. This shows the circle with radius of 2, square with side of length of 2. Center of the circle lies perpendicular bisector. Okay, so this is 8. And let's say this is 1. Oh no, I mean y8. This is 2. Then this is if you still remember this special triangle with 1, 2 square root 3, 2, 1 square root 3, then the opposite of 1 is a 30 degree. This is 30. So this is 30. Which means actually this is right triangle. Okay. Even without it, we already know that it's right triangle. So now we get the sense this is a 60 degree. And we want to know this rectangle area to cut out this half of like this segment. So let's find the length of here. Let's say here altogether is square root 3. So this is square root 3 minus x from here to here. So which means here 2 minus square root 3 minus x, which is plus x, and this is 2. So area of the rectangle is 2 times 2 minus square root 3 plus x, which means 4 minus 2 square root 3 plus 2x. Minus, we need to calculate here. We can find the segment, the sector area, and subtract the triangle area. So the segment area is pi r squared times 60 over 360 minus 1 over 2 AB sine, the equilateral triangle, we already know the formula, square root 3 over 4 a squared. So square root 3 over 4, a is 2, like the side length 4. So 4 minus 2 square root 3 plus 2x minus 2 over 3 pi plus square root 3 equals 2. So now let's negative 2 plus 2 over 3 pi plus square root of 3 becomes 2x. So now x is 3 over pi and square root of 3 over 2 and negative 1.